cooking apa?
Hi everyone, welcome to Appa's new kitchen. Today is the first time I'm going to cook a meal for my family in my new kitchen. So I have a beautiful 800 gram snapper, grouper, yeah, char seng pan actually, with me. And I'm going to use my new steamer. This is not a sponsored video, but I've been always wanting to have a large built-in steamer like what those restaurants have. So behind me, this is a 70-liter combi oven, which is a steamer oven. Okay, it has been preheated to 100 degrees Celsius. Now we can actually open it. Wow, look at the steam. Then we can carefully put in this. Of course, it's better to use a glove. Don't follow Appa. Put it in. And I'm going to let it steam for approximately about 10 minutes. Then it should be done. That's how simple it is. While waiting for the fish, I'm going to very quickly make a very simple steamed fish sauce. Give it a bit of water here. Filtered water. Give it like 2 rounds of light soy sauce. Few dashes of Vietnamese premium fish sauce. A little bit of salt. Again, also put a little bit of sugar also. And a bit of garlic oil, or you can use sesame oil also, no problem. Make sure everything is nicely dissolved. So you probably want to use hot water to make things simpler. You can put it onto the stove to heat it up if you like. For me, that is optional. Our steamed fish sauce is ready. See how simple it is. So why is it Appa always very excited and wanting to buy a big steamer oven? Because last time Appa's wok can never feed the whole fish. Now, I think this can easily steam a fish which is about even up to 1.2 to 1.3 kg. Last time Appa's wok can only cater up to probably 700 gram maximum. Now you know why Appa is so excited. Again, this is not a sponsored video. Most of the steamer oven in Malaysia right now are the smaller ones, which is about 20 over liter, 30 liter, 30 over liter. This is 70 liter. You really want the big ones. When it comes to oven, you want the big ones. When it comes to steamer, you also wanted a big one. So go for a bigger one. Then only it will suit all your purpose. And you can, it's a combi oven. You can grill, you can bake, you can control the upper and lower fire. You can do everything. Very good, fantastic. And it is so easy to operate. All right, this is after 10 minutes. I'm going to pause it. All right, 10 minutes. Just now it was set. It was auto set at 20 just now. Wow. Wow. I'm not sure if my camera can focus with all this steam. Oh, the fish is so nice. Now I need to wear a glove for sure. Can you see the fish? I'm not sure if you can see the fish clearly right now. You see some steamed fish water here. I have to remove all this steamed fish water, yeah? Now you don't have to close it off. We will go and throw away all the steamed fish water. I've removed the fishy water. Now I'm going to pour the steamed fish sauce over. Let's give it some fried garlic and some fresh coriander on top. Done. Here's Appa very simple steamed fish, but using my new steamer. So I hope you like my video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.